Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another new video, and yeah, first thing first, you see on the title, bowl is in the water, and second stop, you need to get a bowl and fill the water in it, and then keep it in the freezer like so. And third, we need to make a so salty video like crazy. Get your salt and put a circle in it because we can't put a water with water then get a water, a cold water though. Cold water and put it in the middle. Oh no, I messed the whole thingy. This kid is so bad. Get your bowl and put the water in there. Not the outside one. You're gonna be making the water wet and thingy. And yeah, the soap will sound like this. And they are like that. Weekly suggested by me, and all the friends said me to do this. No, it's so gross. It's just the water salt thingy. I don't know what to say. Salt. And first you put a little bit of water and wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and get your drinking water and it's gonna be making me tomorrow the sickest. Wait. But you need to get the spoon and do like this. And yeah, we're good to go. You need the salt water? It's so gross. Did you say don't know? I don't know, but here is your freeze. Why are you? So dumb. And keep it in your freeze at the downside for 10 minutes. Oh. Whoa! Yeah. My turn is done. And yeah, the last one. Whoa! I think I see 5 things you didn't know about face, but 5 things you didn't know about keeping in freezers. That's the word. But yeah. Yep. This one, you don't need a knife. Yeah. Number 3 like a rose. Number 3 like a rose. Then I said a 5. Yeah. And yeah, last one, you need a sugar. Sugar, I think. I don't know, but it's so not tasty. Get a glass or anything. Put 1 spoon of these. Put 1 spoon of these, and they are good to go. Something you didn't know about salt. I'm just joking. And put your water, guys. Fresh water from the ocean. I'm just joking. Ooh. Ooh, the salt is not doing nothing. Okay, now, and you need to get your back. Clean it off because you don't need any of the dirt you have. You need to wipe any thingy, but this shirt is getting dirty. Then I wipe it with shirt and do it like this. Oh, it's falling off. Oh. It's not making anything, but in 1 hour, keep it in the freeze. It will make anything. Anything I made, keep it in 1 hour because these things are bad. Okay. But oh yeah. Get these. You can do it with these and put it like water and do it like that. But these are not big enough to put the salt. If it's gonna be big, the yellow one, then you can put it. Yep. I'm making soda. I didn't know anything, but then I said soda to you. I have a silver in my back. I'm just joking. I have a silver in my back because I am the richest guy in the world. I'm just joking. It is $150 for each. And get your water and put it on down it for 1 hour. But these are in the top. This last one, don't get anything. For that last one, you need to. Wow! You need to keep me in the freeze, you sucker. Then you need to put these on the down one. Don't need to be at the up. You need to be at the down. And